How food scales take meal prep to the next level. Meal prep, as its name suggests, is the act of making meal plans and preparing them a day or week ahead of schedule. Meal prep has become increasingly popular among people with busy daily routines because it helps them save valuable time, enables them to make healthier food choices, and allows them to have better control over portion sizes. Meal prep offers a practical solution that promotes good health and nutrition without sacrificing time or convenience. Nevertheless, it presents certain difficulties. For example, portion control can be difficult to maintain if you're simply eyeballing your food. Without the necessary tools, you run the risk of overeating, which may be counterintuitive to your health goals. Therefore, having a food scale can help control your portion sizes, track your daily calorie intake, and even record your daily, monthly, and even yearly progress. Food or kitchen scales can take you one step further toward achieving a healthier body. If you want to know more, continue reading this article and learn how a food scale can take your meal prep to the next level. How does a food scale help meal prep? Using food scales is a game changer when it comes to achieving your health goals through meal prep. These handy tools can help ensure that your food portions are just right, making it easier to manage your nutrition and maintain a healthy diet. But how exactly do they manage to assist you? To help you understand how these devices benefit you, here's how Renpho's Calibra 1 Smart Nutrition Scale helps improve your meal prep. Tracks your daily calorie intake. While most food ingredients have a nutritional table where you can easily see their calories, it isn't as accurate as when you use a food or kitchen scale. Fortunately, this Renpho Food Scale keeps a record of your calorie intake through the Renpho Health app. Records your daily nutrition intake. The Renpho Smart Food Scale tracks your daily nutrient intake by not only calculating calories, but also measuring 25 other nutrients such as fat, protein, carbs, vitamins, minerals, and cholesterol. It's perfect if you're trying to follow a diet or aiming to consume more or less a particular nutrient. Provides accurate measurements. Through its tare function, the food scale can also ensure you are getting the most accurate readings so that your meals turn out the way you intended. Takes note of your meals. Connecting the food scale to the Renpho app means the device can also track your meals and place essential data in a nutrition diary to help check your progress anytime and anywhere. How to use a food scale for meal prep. If it is your first time using a food scale for your meal prep, don't be afraid, as it is pretty much a straightforward process. The following steps will help ensure that you use your kitchen scale more effectively to level up your meal planning. Familiarize yourself with the scale. Before using your food scale, it is important to read the user manual to understand the device. Familiarize yourself with the features and how the scale works to get the most out of it during your meal prep. Make the necessary preparation. Place the food scale on a stable and flat surface to ensure that you get accurate readings. Don't forget to calibrate the scale for precise measurements if needed. Clean the device to remove any dirt or dust. To reset the scale to 0 and avoid including the container's weight, press the tare button. Afterward, select the appropriate unit of measurement, grams, ounces, etc., based on your preference or recipe. Place your container. Set a clean and lightweight container on the scale. If needed, press the tare or 0 button again to subtract the weight of the container, effectively zeroing the scale for accurate ingredient measurements. Weigh your ingredients. Add the ingredient to the container on the scale, watching the display as the weight increases. Take note of the weight and proceed with additional ingredients as needed, repeating the process. Adjust portion sizes. To control portion sizes effectively, weigh each portion individually. Divide the total weight by the desired number of servings, ensuring equal distribution. Consistency and accuracy are key to preparing delicious meals. If you want to achieve that, a food or kitchen scale can be your secret weapon. By following these simple steps, you can take advantage of the precision and control offered by a scale. This will help you measure your ingredients accurately every time you cook. With a scale, you can say goodbye to guesstimates and hello to delicious meals. Takeaway: meal prep is an essential practice when you want to change your lifestyle and make healthier choices. However, doing them without the help of certain devices can be tedious and prone to mistakes. Therefore, food scales offer invaluable benefits to meal preparation, bringing precision, consistency, and improved nutritional tracking that may help you reach your health goals. So what are you waiting for? Get the Calibra One Smart Nutrition Scale and take your meal prepping to the next level.